Generative I think it's a term that's been coined fairly or more widely adopted fairly recently, and it refers to the kind of AI that produces content, primarily text content, but as you've seen, images and videos have become more and more widespread. And so generative AI means that you always start from the training data. The training data, if it's a lot of text, maybe it's a multimodal LLM, and it also has images baked in. Then essentially it's pattern matching. It's looking at its training data, starting from perhaps when you input something, it's looking within its training data for anything that resembles what you typed, and then predicting the kind of response that you would expect. Except the model has billions of parameters. The model has a ton of training data points. And what ends up happening is that it feels like it's producing a response from nothing, right? You're looking at a blank screen and it's just the text is streaming in. But in reality, it's already seen that somewhere. Even if it hasn't seen it, it is using a probabilistic model to predict what the next best word should be in order to, again, match to your input. And so generative AI is essentially a way for the computer to predict the response that you're looking for based on your input. So that's the technical side of generative AI.